Okay, sorry about that. We had a little malfunction. I will try to put these two videos together, or you'll have to watch one and then the other. So as I was saying, we're going to do a number line. I'll do it down here. In our number line, we're going to start at 48, and we're going to end up at 64. Okay? So another way to think about this is you could make jumps of 10. So I'm going to jump 10 from 48, and that's going to take me to 58. Now, can I do another jump of 10? No, because that'll take me to 68. So, I like going to landmark numbers. So I'm going to make a jump of 2, and that will take me to 60. And then another jump of 4, and that will take me to 64. Then I put everything together. So 10 plus 2 is 12, plus 2 is 16. So this question mark here is 16. What two numbers do you add together to equal 16? Yeah, 8. So these two sides are both 8 centimeters. Okay, so that's it for the modeling. So now you are going to do these 4 problems. Okay? You're going to pause the video, and then you will solve these 4 problems, and then you can turn the video back on, and you will see me come up with the solutions. So, go ahead and pause the video. Okay, welcome back. Hopefully you have figured them out. Now let's talk about how we can solve these. So, we know that this side is 7 centimeters, and this side is 7 centimeters, and this side is unknown. So I can add the two sides that I do know, 14 plus 14, or excuse me, 7 plus 7, and that equals 14, plus the unknown side, that's going to equal 30. Now you need to solve for the unknown two sides. On this one, I'm thinking like when we do our number talks and we have doubles, because I know that a double, 15 plus 15 equals 30. Now 14 is very close to 15. In fact, it's 1 less. So I know that if I'm adding a number that is 1 less than 15, I need to add it to a number that is 1 more than 15, which is 16, and that will equal 30. Now, the two sides together are 16. So what two numbers do you add to equal 16? Yes, 8 plus 8 equals 16. Therefore, this missing side is 8 centimeters, as is this, because it is a rectangle, and opposite sides in rectangles are always equal. Okay, next problem. We have 7 centimeters here. We have, I don't know, centimeters here. This is 7 because it's the opposite side, and this one, again, we don't know. So 7 plus 7 equals 14. So 14 plus blank equals 32. Okay. Now, to solve this one, I'm going to use subtraction. So I'm going to say 32 minus 14. So that becomes a 2, that becomes a 12, so that's 18. So this missing number here is 18. But that 18 equals both the two sides. So what two numbers do you add together to equal 18? Yes, you add 9. So this is 9 centimeters. 9 centimeters. Okay, now the long one. 7 centimeters. What must this be? Yes, 7 centimeters. And this one, we don't know. Okay, 7 plus 7 is 14. So 14 plus blank, which represents these two sides, equals 22. Now, this one, I'm going to use a number line. So I'm starting at 14, and I'm going to 22. So I'm going to get to 20. So 14 plus 6 takes me to 20, plus 2 more will take me to 22. 6 plus 2 is 8. So the missing number is 8, and remember that 8 equals 2 sides, so you have to divide it in 2, and you will get 4. So these sides equal 4 centimeters. Okay, last problem. Now, this one, I kind of did this one in the hopes that it might confuse you a little bit, because I like that. Now, look at this shape. What does this shape look like? It looks like a square. Now, what do you remember about squares? Hopefully you remembered that all 4 sides are equal. So, we don't know how long any of the sides are, but we do know that they are all equal. So, to write an equation, it would be something like this. 1 side plus 1 side plus 1 side plus 1 side equals 28. Now, they're all the same, so what number do you add 4 times to equal 28? I want you to think to what you know about multiplication, because this is essentially the same as something times 4 equals 28. So, either way is a good way to figure out the answer. This is a little more efficient, but what you should have figured out is that 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 equals 28, or 7 times 4, because there are 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, equals 28. So this is a 7 centimeter square. Okay, so that is your perimeter math lesson for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you soon.